We're in Kristiansand in Norway. Everybody has gone up to the mountain for Easter. We have the whole city for ourselves and we're gonna go geocaching. Geocaching is a worldwide treasure hunt that anybody can play. All you need is a GPS device, like your cell phone, with the geocaching app. Geocaching is a great way to explore new places and old places like your hometown. Our first cache is located in Mellomø. It's a historical shipyard founded in 1858. This particular cache is called El Cache, and I've been looking for it for a year. So it's gonna be fun to finally find it. Finally found it. Super tiny, super cool. A geocache can be from the size of your thumb to bigger than an American lunchbox. It has to be hidden on public property, and the difficulty ranges from 1 star till 5. A geocache is often so well hidden that it's staring you right in the face. You have to wiggle, push, pull, look under and over and behind. The first cache was hidden on May 3rd of 2000 by Dave Ulmer from Beaver Creek, Oregon. 3 days later, it was found by Mike Teague from Vancouver, Washington. It was a black plastic bucket, partially buried, and inside of it was software, videos, books, money, a slingshot, and some other things. Join us next time and don't forget to sign your logbook.